Moving on, in a thrilling display of skill and determination, Delhi's players clinched gold, silver and bronze medals in the 35-plus category, defeating their arch-rivals and winning millions of hearts. This triumphant victory has fueled their ambition to take on the world. With their sights set on international glory, Delhi's players are now gearing up to make their mark on the global stage. Listen in.
In 35-plus category, it's all about Delhi. All the three medals have gone to Delhi players, and this is the most exciting moment each and every player is waiting for. Because for the last 3 days, they were trying their level best to ensure that finally they are able to climb this podium and they are able to kiss this medal. We have got with us the three medalists, gold medalists, silver medalists and bronze medalists. Let me speak to them. You from which place?
I'm Rahul from Delhi.
So, how long you had been playing this game?
Almost 1.5 years now.
Congratulations, and you have finally done it because you thought that you will be winning the gold this time?
I hope so, but again the match got so intense that I'm very happy to get through, so yes.
So you are feeling so happy and excited?
Very, very much.
So what really led you to play this game all of a sudden?
Again, the popularity of this game, the socialization part of this game. I mean, you know, it's like every day it's a party. Being together, you know, have fun. So definitely that's the most integrated part of this game. So yeah.
And how was the arrangement there at the Bennett University, the sporting infrastructure?
It has been fantastic. So you have so many courts around here. So it's such good space. Such organization is pretty much best you find everywhere. So very happy to be here. So looking forward to many more tournaments here.
थोड़े से आज आपका रह गया.
कोई नहीं सर,
सिल्वर आ गया.
बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है इनके पास. मैं तो इधर काफी समय से खेल मैं तो अभी बस स्टार्टिंग ही है मेरी.
कितनी देर पहले शुरू किया था आपने?
सर हो गया हम लोग का.
आपका शुभ नाम?
संतोष भगत है, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ और बाकी तो हमारे सीनियर हैं हमारे और इनका काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. हम लोग तो अभी बस अभी स्टार्टिंग किए हैं. और
जब आप आए थे यहाँ यूनिवर्सिटी में एंटर किए तो कैसा फील आया जब आप बेनेट यूनिवर्सिटी?
मैंने देखा, मैंने बताया भी था, 2-3 ने मुझसे पूछा भी था जगह कैसा है जगह. मैंने कहा कि बहुत बढ़िया है, पर मुझे एक चीज़ उसमें अच्छी लगी कि ये बढ़िया ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा बना है. थोड़ा सा हवा का जो है, विंड का है, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा था.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि इनसे खेल आता ना तो मैं प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी हल्की सी हवा में.
अच्छा.
बाकी यहाँ पे मॉइस्चर अच्छा है, जगह मैच देखा अच्छा है.
अगली बार क्या लक्ष्य है आपका?
लक्ष्य बार है फिर जीतेंगे सर, यानी फिर मेहनत करके आऊँगा. अब तो मेहनत नहीं किया था मैंने, अब मैं मेहनत करके आऊँगा. नेक्स्ट
अगली बार मेहनत करके
आऊँगा, जीतना है मुझे.
अच्छा, एक खास बात बतानी थी बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज इंटरेक्टिंग विद ही गॉट द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल. इनका देखिए जज्बा, देखिए क्या है. ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया लेकिन हिम्मत नहीं हारी है. इनका कहने का मतलब है कि सिल्वर मेडल तो आपको हारने पे मिलता है, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आपको जीतना पड़ता है. दैट्स व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. ये बड़ा खतरनाक आपने कोई बात बताई हमें.
नहीं, obviously the silver medalist is a silver medalist, but bronze also, it's a medal at the end of the day. So happy to have this. I had a good game in Rahul. Of course, he was a much better player today. And the funny part is that all 3 of us were there last week at the trials, and 3 of us went through, and 3 of us are standing with the 3 medals over here. So I think that's an amazing thing for Delhi.
But you know what is more important is that it will not be wrong if I say that Delhi has been able to win dil of each and every person present here with their marvelous performance there at the pickleball court, the kind of a performance, the smashes, and then we saw them running all over the court, and that's one of the reasons that today is the Delhi day. So, कैसा लग रहा है दिल्ली का दिन? It's all about Delhi.
Yes, कल Republic Day, आज Delhi का day. So tomorrow is a national day. Today is Delhi's day.
So that you're feeling very happy.
Of course.
So how you felt the infrastructure here? What you have to say about the infrastructure at Bennett University that is being provided for this pickle sports activity?
I think it's amazing to see that some university in Greater Noida has over 10 courts, which is kind of unheard of. So this is actually going to become like the hub and the source of good pickleball players in the future. So in that sense, I feel that they've done a fantastic job with actually creating the courts and creating the ecosystem.